Hey everyone, Tommy here with AllProWebTools, and today I'm excited to go over a brand new feature that we've added to help you run your campaigns a lot more efficiently. Instead of having to break up your list before you import them, now you can import your whole list, create a pool that will pull contacts from that list daily into your campaigns. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that we have the proper tools added. First, we go to your settings, then we go to your web tools, and we'll click on the Add New Web Tool button. We'll find the tool called Prospecting Pools and click Add. Now that we have the proper tools in place, we go to the Marketing, and then we click on Prospecting Pools. So now on this page, first you select the tag that you'd want to use. Then you select an ad volume amount that you'd want to be added to your campaign daily. Then you'd select the campaign. You click on Add this pool. And that is it. Now you've created a pool here that will add your specific amount of contacts to the campaign that you selected on a daily basis until there are no more contacts in that tag. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Tommy with AllProWebTools. You have a great day, and we'll see you next time.